Here's a view of the garden. You can see my cucumbers, my cantaloupes, and my watermelons back there. They started to get choked up by the weeds. We're pulling them as quickly as we can. Again, it's very rough, and I'm going to show you just how murky and mucky it can get. Here's my tomato plants, and you can see I got a pepper plant back there with some bell peppers coming up. I'm going to have to get in there and prune those tomato plants. We want to get those bottom branches off the ground because it will get blight if we're not careful with all this rain. But so far, all of them seems to be looking pretty good. Vegetable gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. The rain, folks. The rain has just about drowned us out here. We've gotten 3 inches just since midnight, and we've had rain all throughout the week, and things are coming up in the garden really good, but if the rain don't stop, I'm kind of fearful of what's going to happen. So I'm going to take you around and show you what's going on. Look at the standing water, guys. That's why you build rows and mounds. Mounds for your squash and zucchini, rows for your green beans or your bush beans. And my tomato plants look to be okay back there. Knock on wood, the blight hadn't set in, and I'm hoping it won't. It's about 55 degrees. It's freezing cold here. The wind's from the north. We are expecting it to get up to about 77 degrees tomorrow, and I sure hope it does because we need a dry out. But we have had an extremely wet spring. You can see the standing water everywhere. Feels more like fall than spring right now. Here's the raised bed. My carrots are doing great. That's the good thing about raised beds is it drains really well. Spinach is getting ready to bolt. I think I'll be able to get a little bit more off of it to eat this week. Cabbage is doing fantastic. You can see I'll probably be pulling that head tomorrow, and I'm going to ferment it and make me some sauerkraut. But it is terribly, terribly wet. You can see standing water everywhere. Here's another view of the garden. You can see my watermelons and my cantaloupe and my cucumbers are coming up, but guys, it's going to be a week without rain before I can get in there and finish doing some weeding. Hear the bullfrogs out there. Although my carrots may look happy and healthy and huge green tops, we don't want to do anything with them until we start seeing the tops of the carrots come through the soil, and as you can see, they're not coming through, so we got a little bit more time to go. My Brussels sprouts didn't make it, guys. They're starting to die off from too much rain, and we're really hoping and praying that the rest of the stuff don't follow suit. So in closing, as my good friend Bertha says down at the Rustic Ranch Garden, you can't control Mother Nature, and we can't. We are praying for a warmer week. It is May the 11th, I think, and it feels like it's March the 11th, as cool as it is out here. So anyway, you guys pray that we get a little bit more stabilized weather, and we will hope to get in there and show you some more things going on in the next week. It's a muddy, muddy mess out here. Take care, God bless, and if you like what you see, please click that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will be in touch. Stay tuned.